Hello students, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem on analytical petty cash book. 6 marks problem. Problem number 4. Record the following transactions in analytical petty cash book for the month December 2014 with impressed amount rupees 500. 3rd December stationery amount rupees 100. 8th December bus fare rupees 12. 12th December cartage amount 40. 16th December taxi fare 80 rupees. 27th December wages to labor rupees 90. And the last 29th December postage expenses amount is 80. So all these expenses we have to record in analytical petty cash book, and the impressed amount is rupees 500. Okay, to make all the expenses of this month, that is December, the head cashier has given 500 rupees to the junior cashier to meet the expenses of this month. Let's start the solution. Solution, write the heading petty cash book. Columns are, first one is amount received, second date, particulars, voucher number, amount paid, and all the expenses which is given in the problem. That is stationery, right here stationery, bus fare and this taxi fare comes under conveyance charges. So write conveyance, cartage, so whatever the expenses given in the problem, right here. Wages to labor, postage, miscellaneous, that is other expenses. So these are the columns of analytical petty cash book. The junior cashier has got rupees 500 from the head cashier to meet the expenses of the month of December 2014. So write here amount received rupees 500. Write the date 1st December 2014 to cash account. This is for receiving the cash from the head cashier. Another columns nil. Next, on 3rd December, there is the expenses of rupees 100 for stationery. So write here 3rd December by stationery. Amount paid is, write in amount paid column 100. So in this stationery column write 100. Okay. Another column nil. Conveyance nil, cartage nil, wages nil, postages nil, and miscellaneous nil. So ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next one is on 8th December bus fare rupees 12. Bus fare, taxi fare, in transportation charges ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು conveyance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So right here on 8th December by bus fare. Amount paid is rupees 12. Stationery column nil. Conveyance column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ rupees 12. Postage, cartage nil. Wages nil, postage nil, and miscellaneous also nil. Next, on 12th December, that is cartage rupees 40. Write in data column 12th December by cartage. Amount paid is rupees 40. Stationery nil, conveyance nil, cartage column right rupees 40. Wages nil, postages nil, and miscellaneous nil. Next, on 16th December, taxi fare rupees 80. 16 December by taxi fare. Taxi fare ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Amount paid is rupees 80. Stationery nil and conveyance right rupees 80. Another column nil. 27th December, wages to labor rupees 90. Write in solution date 27th December by wages. Amount paid is 90 rupees. Stationery nil, conveyance nil, cartage nil, and wages column rupees 90. And here nil. And the last one, 29th December, postage amount is 80. Solution 29th December, by postage amount paid 80 rupees, nil, 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 nil. And in postage column write rupees 80. Okay, all these expenses we have recorded in this petty cash book. That is stationery, bus fare, cartage, taxi fare, wages, and postages. Now add all these amount paid column. Add the amount paid column. 100 plus 12 plus 40 plus 80 plus 90 plus 80. And the total is 402. Okay, the total of all these expenses is 402. Close the stationery column. Total amount is 100. Conveyance 12 plus 80, 92. Cartage 40. Wages 90. Single amount ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. So direct ಆಗಿ add ಮಾಡಿ. Postage 80. Miscellaneous nil. So to meet all these expenses, the head cashier has given 500 rupees. So write here balance, the total amount given, that is 500. Amount received column write 500 and same amount paid column 500. Okay. So December in any expense ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 500 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆ 500 rupees ಇಂದ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 402. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ 500 minus 402. So the difference amount is 98. So ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು amount ಉಳಿದಿದೆ from 500 98 rupees. So this is total from this 500 minus total expenses amount, that is 402. Remaining balance is 98. That is called, write the date, month and date, 31st December, by balance carried down. By balance carried down 98 rupees. So ಇದೇ amount ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು to the next month. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಜನವರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ದಿಂದು 98 rupees. ಸೊ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ 98 and write the next month date, that is 1st January, to balance brought down. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಜನವರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯರ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 98 rupees ಇದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 500 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ 402. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 500. ಸೊ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜನವರಿ ಮಂತ್, the head cashier has given 500. Okay, 98 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇಂದ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು 98 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇಂದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ 402 rupees ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಈಗ 500 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1st January, to bank account, or you can write to cash account. Got this problem? If you have any doubts, please write in comment. Thank you, students.